What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can get Toncoin in Telegram. Well, getting the Toncoin in Telegram is pretty simple. For that, as you guys can see, I'm on my Google now. Here, you simply have to go to Telegram. Now, going to the Telegram will look something like that. Here, you just have to open up your wallet. Go to the wallet chat and then tap on this wallet to open it up. Once the wallet is opened up, this is how you will be able to see. Once you do that, you just have to click on this add crypto. Now, we have different options for getting the Tone coins. Suppose you want to buy it, or suppose you're getting it from any other wallet. If you're getting it from any other wallet, you just have to tap on this external wallet. After tapping on this external wallet, you just have to select Tone coin, tap on continue. There, it will want you to verify your wallet with your phone number. Once you do that, you'll get your recipient address. You just have to share your recipient address to the sender. He'll be able to use that address to transfer the Tone coin to you, which you will be able to see afterwards right here in this Telegram wallet. However, if you want to make purchase of Tone coins, for that, you just have to go to this P2P market. Now, P2P market means you are buying from another person, like from a marketplace. You can do that as well. However, you can actually buy it from the card as well by putting in your bank card. If you go that, they will want you to select that. How would you paying? You'll be paying in your currency, and then you just have to select. Suppose you want to buy 10 Tone coins. For that, you have to pay like 55 pounds. You just have to do that, add your payment method, pay for it, and you will get that a Tone coin right in your uh, Telegram wallet. So that's very much it. That's all we able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.